Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things and I'm so glad that you're here. What's up tonight? What's up this morning? What's up this afternoon? Power to the people. I've got the Jack Skellington palette from Makeup Revolution. So I'm going to be doing we've got a special guest. Speaking of Halloween, my favorite, don't tell Jessie, my favorite black cat, Louie. What's up, Louie? This chair is so torn up from him climbing up on it. But I don't care because it's so cute. And half the time I don't even notice when he pops up. Hey, no digging. Oh, stop it. I forgot to put highlighter on. I'm so silly. Anyway, let's put some highlighter on real quick, because we're going to do a fun look from the Nightmare Before Christmas palette with Jack. I also have Sally over here. And actually, I have a Jack highlighter, but I swatched it. I don't think it's very good, but let's give it a chance. All we are saying is give Jack highlighter a chance. It's huge. It is so huge. It takes up way too much space. And the packaging's nice. It says Moonlight, Mischief, and Madness. And it looks like that. Let's give it a go. Very powdery. Oh, it's showing up. That's better than when I swatched it. So all right. And this is called just the Illuminator Highlighter Moonlight, Mischief, and Madness. That is the name of it. And it is not bad. I have to give it up that is pretty good. I swatched it and I was like, no big deal. It's no bueno. But not bad. Not bad, Jack. Not bad, Makeup Revolution. I'll put that other palette up later because I was going to use my Drag Queen Kimchi palette, but this is the color story. 36 colors. I am not swatching them all because that would take the whole time that I want to spend doing the video. So what I will do, I've swatched some of these, like this red comes out orange. And I'm trying to figure out what kind of look I want to make. Maybe I'll go for a green look because there's some good greens in here and a green shimmer. And let's swatch the greens. Because you guys know I love greens. Well, two of them look almost the same. But let's give it a go. Maybe I'll jazz it up with something else. But let's just have some fun. Like I'll use like a neutral color to go on my crease. Like this one is called Forever. Forever in my crease. And it's got a lot of these have Jack Skellington embossments on there. Oh, this seems like a shimmer. I don't care that it's a shimmer, but it is a nice, pretty peachy color. So, do you guys have plans for Halloween? Are you going to have trick-or-treaters? Are you going to do anything? Are you going to dress up? I'm doing some makeup looks in my videos and stuff, but they're mostly silly because I'm not a makeup artist. I've never said that I'm a makeup artist. I've never said that I was a professional. Louie, I'm going to throw something at you if you keep that up. I wouldn't hit him, but I would throw something at him. I just threw something at him to make him stop. Stop, Louie. All right, because I can't have the digging in the paper because it makes me crazy. So, speaking of crazy, Oh, I didn't swatch this lime green here. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, look at that. Looky, looky. That's hot. That's kind of a yellow, like a lemon. Like a lime and a lemon. Had a little baby. I can make a nice mossy look. And that one's called Everybody Scream. Ah! They used to say that at concerts sometimes. Everybody scream! And the concert hall go, yeah, 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 yeah. Screaming, we're screaming. Screaming for the concert. Oh, I don't know. I haven't had a lot of sleep. It's about 6:15 right now. And I got up at like 3:30 in the morning and I haven't had a nap. So it's a long day and I still have things to do. But I wanted to do this. Yay! We love doing this. It is very fun and we like it. That is the royal we. I'm going to start with, this is Oogie Boogie. That goes on very lightly. Oh, that's barely showing up. Oogie Boogie, I'll put you on the other side too. Can you even see it? I can't even hardly see it. I'm gonna try again. I got a lot of kick up. I got a lot of it on here. That is not helping. But what I do on one side, I do on the other, even if it doesn't work. That is terrible. And look at them all. Look at all that. Can you see all that kick up? So far, this palette is not exciting me. I guess I will go into Undersea Gal right here. I cleaned off the brush, but I'm going to use the same brush. Oh, it's showing up much better. It's not showing up nearly as dark as I had expected it to. I'm just putting it right over top of Oogie Boogie. Oogie Boogie was a disappointment, and Oogie Boogie was one of the coolest things in the Nightmare. Ah, damn it, I just dipped in Oogie Boogie. Let me grab another brush. It's not like I have just one brush. I act like I have no brushes. I have so many brushes, and I have sets of brushes that I haven't even opened. So let's go back into Undersea Gal. Put a little in the crease. And there's a bit of kick up in this one as well. But it looks like a fresh green look so far. All right. All right. Trying to figure out what brush. This is a little fluffier than I want. I want a packing brush. Nope. This will be fine. This is close to what I want. So I'm going to go into, this is called Bugs. I'm going to put that on the lid. And it is a pretty little shimmer. It's not acting like I expected it to at all. It's very patchy. And Makeup Revolution is famous for being inconsistent. Oh my goodness. This may not be a dynamic look. I guess I could have done the shimmer with my finger, but it's on there. And let me go over here and blend that out a little. Doesn't look right. Damn it. This palette is tripping me up. I think we're going to have to go into a brown or something, because this is just, it's pretty, it's soft green. I mean, we've got another green, but I don't think it's going to look much different. And I totally ignored this like Kelly green. This is very disappointing. I'm going to go into Barrel right here. And darken up this outside corner. Into the crease a little bit. You know what a traditional Rhonda eye looks like. I'm all about that outside corner. It's not looking great. This is so disappointing. Ah! I'm totally taking this back to Ulta. I don't even know if I'm going to mess with the Sally palette. But the highlighter is much better than I expected. I'm trying to look for the positive things. Here's a black. I'm going to go into this black. I'm going to use a different brush. That brush is not doing what I want. This black just sucks. This black is not very good. It's like some kind of bilgewater gray with the brown. I don't know. This is okay. I didn't go under my brow bone. Let's do that with the color Bones right there. This is a disappointment with a capital D. Let me get a... I'm using so many brushes on this look and it's just not good. And then it's blending away. Just blending away. I'm going to take some Star Island and put a little shimmer in the middle of the lid. That brightens it up. Star Island to the rescue. I use it in so many looks. It's just fantastic. Let's blend that out just a little. It makes it look better, but not great at all. We're going to use the Stila eyeliner. So disappointing, and this video is running long now and it's not good. I'm putting this back in the box, and this is the huge mascara from Stila. I mean, it looks okay now, but I mean, it did not perform in any way close to even the swatches. But I was all excited because it's Halloween and I wanted a sweet little Halloween palette. And for my lip, I'm going to go into, this is Seductress, number 65 from Maybelline Matte Ink. I don't like that. I'm going to go into Jeffree Star Family Jewels. Much better. Have a great day or day of your choice. Sorry this took so long to do not much of anything. It's a cute look, but this palette sucks. Have a great day, day of your choice. See you real soon.